while we download Anaconda, let's go through where we will write code for Python. You have a lot of solutions. You can even use a very simple notepad in your computer. But I suggest that you use Visual Studio Code. I have a link here, you just download it. It's pretty straightforward. You can also use an IDE like PyCharm, where you can do more complex stuff with Python. PyCharm is especially created for Python. But for this tutorial, we're gonna be using Google Colab. This tutorial is all about learning the simple and basic stuff about Python. I do not want to mess up everything with using editors, doing setups, solving problems. I want you to go straight to writing code. And Google Colab is a great option. So please go to Google Colab, and I will also supply you with a file called Notebook where you can load things. But the basic idea is that you go to Google Colab, you go to File and you put a new notebook, and boom, you have created a Google Colab notebook where you can run Python code very fast and very easily. So this is a cell where you can write your code, as you can see. And then there is a text file. It says code and text, and you can use text to write some stuff here. Okay, so when you write text on Google Colab, you do not run executable stuff. If you want to write Python, you need to write it into a code cell. Okay, not in a text cell. So this just for for this tutorial, that's how it's gonna go. We are gonna use Google Colab, but you are free to use Visual Studio Code or PyCharm. But you will have to see a little bit of more tutorials, to get this all set up and running.